Hey everybody, so we are now looking for a business address. So right now we are looking at Regus only because it was highly recommended in the Facebook groups, like the business Facebook groups. So we're gonna see what they're talking about. If I like it, I'm gonna go for it. If not, then we'll look elsewhere. I do suggest following the business Facebook groups just because you get a lot of free info in there just in case you don't want to like spend money on courses and all of that. So here's Regis, and we're looking for virtual offices. So here I'm going to type in Fairfax because that is where I am located. Fairfax. There you go, and it pops up. So I know I said in the last video that I am doing my business email address, but being that having a business address is so important, I just went ahead and just try to knock this out real quick. So it says virtual office in Fairfax. So let's scroll down and see what they have to offer. So they have a business address for 105, virtual office for 215, and another virtual office plus for 319. So let's see. So we are checking out the locations now. They only have 2 for this area, which is very unfortunate because it's just shocking. But I'm gonna roll with it. So this one is for 119. This one is for 105. So we're gonna go with the one that's most cost efficient. Let's see, Willow Oaks. So right now, Willow Oaks looks pretty nice. Nice lounge, nice office spaces, but okay. So you can get a quote or you can book a visit. Let's see some of the features that it offers. Let's see, does it tell you? Yes. So let's click on Virtual Office to check out the features. Okay, so it says why virtual office, flexible terms, yada yada yada. Let's see why. Learn. No. So we're gonna click on learn more. I thought that's what we did. Okay, there you go. So it says learn more. So it says business address, mail handling. That's what we want. We want to be able to collect our mail. It says local telephone number. It doesn't come with that, but that's okay because we already purchased our business phone number. So really, this is all I need is the professional address and the mail handling. Okay, so we can close that. All right, so nothing else here. So this says Fairfax. I'm going to hit continue. So right now they offer different lease terms or lease lengths. So they got monthly, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. I am not going to hold myself to a lease that long. 22 years is a little long for me. So I'm going to do a year. Now, this is up to you on how long you want to keep it. For me, a year is fine. Okay, choose my start date. I'm going to choose today. So right now it says summary is $111 per month. So I'm going to click continue. So right here has the email address. I'm not going to go too much into this because this is personal information. So you know what to do after this. You just complete it through. So I went through and I clicked, put in all my information, and this screen popped up. I am assuming that they are going to do the same thing as Ring Central did, help me set everything up just to get the ball rolling. So we're done with setting up our account with Regus, and here is the business address. So we got the most important thing, which is that business address. One thing I would like to share with you guys is it's a 2-month retainer. So whatever your monthly fee is, just expect to get billed twice. So mine was $111 a month, I believe. And at the end of the billing process, it came up to like 220 something. I'm just letting you guys know that caught me off guard, which was it rubbed me the wrong way, but I continued with it just because I've been getting so many, it's been getting so many recommendations. So I'm just trusting the process, but of course, do your due diligence. But so far so good. It's all set up. I thought I had to wait for a rep, but I did not have to. They just set it all up. They sent everything to your email address, all of the documents and everything, and you get to create an account with them so you know what's going on. So if you need to book a meeting room, you can just do it. I also downloaded the app, so just to keep track of things. It's supposed to let you know when you get mail and all of that, which is very important because once we start building business credit, we are going to be sending our mail there. And I do recommend, I saw someone post in a business page saying that they have an office space in like another city. Me personally, I wouldn't do that, only because, especially if it's too far away, just because when you are mailing stuff there, you're going to have to go and pick it up. Now, if you have a mail forwarding system, then, that's good for you, but that also costs extra money. And I'm trying to do this the most cost efficient way, but I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just letting you know that they do not offer mail forwarding for free. You have to pay for this extra service. But that wraps up the video. This is Regus. Everything looks good. I got the location I wanted. So next video, we are creating a business email address.